Hello everyone, are you searching for spacious and well-connected 2 BHK rental flat in Hoodi Bangalore? Don't worry, you have clicked on the right video. This ready-to-move home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience and a prime location. Today, I will take you on a quick tour of this beautiful 2 BHK flat. So, don't miss it. Watch at the end. Ta-da! This is our beautiful outlook. This is a balcony view. It's just offering a beautiful city view, just perfect for your morning coffee or evening relaxation. This apartment is a part of well-maintained gated community that offer the top-notch ambience like 24/7 security available, 24/7 water supply, 24/7 power backup, 24/7 lift facility, swimming pool, gym, parking for both two-wheeler and four-wheeler, and children's play area, ensuring the premium lifestyle for you and your family. And this home comes with the two well-ventilated bedrooms offering the big space built-in wardrobes and a larger window for the refreshing atmosphere. Overall flat you have very good ventilation. And this is your modern kitchen with a big storage space, a sink countertop in a high quality fitting make cooking an absolutely pleasure. And this is your one more private balcony. Just look at the view. And nearby locations. This flat is very close to ITPL Tech Park, Phoenix Mall, Via Mall, Hoodi Metro Station, Columbia Asian Hospital, Warren Uptown Mall, schools and colleges. Now let's talk about the most important part, pricing. This beautiful 2 BHK rental flat is available for rent at just 35,000 plus 4,000 maintenance per month with a deposit of 1.5 lakhs. Call now to book a visit. Limited availability. Both bedrooms you have attached restrooms. It's all well maintained and modern fitting. And both bathrooms you have geyser setting. And it's very clean and designed. So you don't worry about the hot water. Overall flat you have very good ventilation. So you don't feel about the lightings. If anyone interested in this flat, just contact this number or WhatsApp this number. For more details, don't miss out this amazing opportunity. Your dream home is just call away. It's a ready-to-move flat available for both family and bachelors. This apartment is a part of well-maintained gated community. So, you feel safe and secure. And trust me, this is a super budget-friendly flat and deal like this don't last long. You don't find another like this. So, hurry up before it's gone. If anyone interested in this flat, just contact this number or WhatsApp this number. And share this video, like this video and subscribe to J Rental Properties for more rental updates in Bangalore. Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. See you again next video. If you have any doubts, leave your comments. Okay? Tata bye.